Hey y'alls, welcome to module 11.1 where we're going to go over CapCut. By far one of the other very powerful and highly recommended software slash applications that you could use for video editing quickly, effectively, and I'm just going to go over some of the basics of it and showcase, what else it could do, also why it's different from InShot. I'll pretty much be quick to tell you why I don't like it and recommend it, but it's definitely a super powerful tool. So I'm going to jump right into this, and we're going to start with a new project. As you see, everything I taught you with InShot, you're going to see here. So all the same words: audio, text, stickers, effects, transition, filters, adjustments, templates, pretty much the same thing. But CapCut does offer quite a bit more of everything, which is why I like to stay off of CapCut, because I like to stay focused. I have ADHD and I'm a creative when it comes to kind of composition and ideas. So easily I could get distracted by the millions of options on CapCut. But as I always mentioned, go ahead and play with it, have fun, learn, because you may have a quicker and more efficient workflow on CapCut than possibly on InShot or Adobe Rush or VN. So take your time and explore. Just like anything else, we're going to go ahead and import a video. Let's do 10.4. Right in here, you can just drag and click, throw in your video, and this is a video from one of my previous recordings. You can play around with it just the same. All right, same thing with audio. If you wanted to add audio, it includes a handful of great musics, sound effects, copyright. You can do a copyright check if you have your own audio. You can extract audio from video, which is super good. Oops, excuse me. Same thing with text. Very similar in the sense of you can add your own captions. You choose your language. You go right in here and go ahead and create the captions. But inside of CapCut, there is a handful of kind of AI things that they really and heavily promote. So you can see here the captions are very similar to what we have over in InShot. One moment. And boom, talk about ballpoint pens. You got some content. As you see, they're not that fancy, they're not that crazy, but you can definitely edit them to make them way nicer. It's not just like the app captions, but it can be similar if you really work on it. In here, you can do auto lyrics, local captions where you upload your own sheet of paper. Here you have AI packaging, which it kind of really adds more spunk to it. You can add additional text. Within here, you can add effects to the text. And that people want to stick through. All right, let's get that off of there. Anyways, and then they also have text templates. So this is where you can make things super similar to your. Oh, let me see if I can grab those. Similar to however you want. Am I the only person that didn't know X? Pretty damn cool, right? But again, this is why I also don't like it. Because as you see me scrolling, there are just millions of options, which is a great thing if you want that, but to each their own. We're going to continue on. Stickers, very similar to InShot as well. They have a litany of cool stickers, branded stickers, if you sign in and have the pro version. But yeah, we will continue on to effects. This is, again, they have tons of video effects for the whole video and also body effects. So you can change kind of what's going on with the body. Let's say big mouth. Am I the only person that didn't know X? Or we'll do unfair, where I'm going to be sad. Am I the only person that didn't know X? So as you can see, it's very social media friendly, similar to all the effects you see on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, tons and tons of stuff. You do have to get the pro version, but that's kind of normal for any of these super powerful things. They're all very affordable and cheap. I'm the only person that didn't But it's worth playing around. All of these things are incredibly easy to use. And let's just go. Oh, no, we need pro for that one. Let's just pick a random one so you can see frosted quality. There we go. But yeah, effects very similar to InShot. Play around, have some fun, start understanding the power of all of these apps so that way you can have the creativity beforehand. Meaning, let's just say I like this frosted effect. I can shoot my content with this in mind, knowing that, I can do this later. So that's why I highly recommend exploring these apps, finding out what works for you, so you can understand the potential and the power of all of these apps. So let's just go here. There's no continuous clips, but We have transitions, filters. Let's go
Am I
here.
the only person that didn't know? Am I the
Filters,
only person that
just
didn't
the
know
same. So like I mentioned before, CapCut and InShot are very similar. CapCut just has a lot more options. And it's not in a bad way. I just like to stay focused and stay simple. Over here, you can add your voiceovers. You can add all sorts of different things. They do have quite a bit more of like kind of AI pro, I'd say, tools. So like AI movement, camera tracking, if you're trying to track something on camera, image enhancement, noise reduction. There's quite a bit of things that it can do, more than InShot. Again, if that's what you like, go for it. I highly recommend it. I'm all about making yourself happy and making effective content. But I personally don't recommend them. So this is just my quick run through CapCut. Definitely a lot more you can find if you explore it yourself. And I highly do recommend you guys exploring it. So have a great day. Talk soon. I'm going to get jumping onto the next module.